5 recent trends in kitchen sink designs to upgrade your kitchen. Kitchen sinks are available in different shapes, sizes and materials and can include a wide range of accessories including cutting boards, utensil trays, drying racks and colanders. Contemporary and stylish sinks in your space that serve a practical, well-functioning piece gain attention from everyone. There are many types of kitchen sinks. Number 1. Stainless steel kitchen sinks. They are popular in homes and commercial kitchens as they are durable, low maintenance, heat and stain resistant, affordable and don't chip or crack. However, they get scratches or dents and are prone to water spots. Also, they come with limited color options. Number 2. Drop-in kitchen sinks. They are also known as top-mount sinks or self-rimming sinks. These sinks are dropped into the countertop and the edge rests on top of the countertop to help carry the sink's weight. They are customizable and are available in porcelain, granite, stainless steel, etc. Though easy to clean, they take up more counter space than other sinks. Number 3. Undermount sinks. These are installed under the counter and sit under a custom cut hole for a sleek, seamless look. They come in a variety of materials like cast iron, copper, stainless steel, porcelain, etc. Since there is no visible edges to undermount sinks, you don't sacrifice any counter space for them. They prevent crumbs, moisture and other things from getting caught while cleaning. They need more solid countertops that don't suffer easily from water damage. This often makes them more expensive than other options and also makes installation more difficult. Number 4. Farmhouse kitchen sinks. They are deeper and wider than traditional sinks. This makes them very efficient and convenient when soaking or washing larger pots and pans. They are great for homes with larger families. They come in a range of sizes, can be double or single basin and in a variety of materials like stainless steel, fire clay, copper. As these are larger sinks, they cost more and require more room. Number 5. Integrated kitchen sinks. They are built into the countertop and create a seamless look and feel that is unparalleled by other styles of sinks. As they eliminate the seals and coped edges of traditional sinks, they are easy to clean. They can be fabricated to the depth and width of your choice. And their shape and layout are also customizable. This makes them more expensive than other sinks. Damage to one part of the integrated sink or countertop can be hard to repair without replacing the entire unit. Sinks are available in different colors, so select the one which suits your style and other home fittings. Evaluate all the options and decide which one works for you. Visit a nearby Buildpro store to explore a wide range of durable, elegant and modern home building products and fittings for your house. Buildpro. Truly a one-stop shop for all your building products and solutions. Build with Buildpro.